Hey guys, I am doing a power steering fluid flush or exchange, whatever it is. So the theory behind it is, um, in Toyotas they take transmission fluid. Pretty much, the fluid goes from here, from the pressure line to the power steering pump, and it gets returned back. This is called the return line. This line is usually located towards the top and it's a smaller line. What I'm doing is removing this and directing that into a container and block it. And what you're doing is lifting up the car and turn the wheels side to side, and the fluid will pump out. This line will pump out into the container, meanwhile filling this up, so all the fluid will get replaced. It will, from here, new fluid will go in. From here, it will pump out the old fluid. That way, all the fluid will be clean inside, and your power steering components will last a long time. This is kind of past due. It's kind of dark, still kind of transparent, but it's kind of past due. So I will be changing all of these items little by little. I'm gonna do timing belt. I'm gonna do all the maintenance that needs to be done in this vehicle. First step, put a drain pan underneath down there and remove this. Squeeze the and then okay, it's draining. I blocked off this line, and the line that connects here, it's right here. I pulled it up like this and it's draining into this. What I'm doing is get Dextron transmission fluid and start filling it up. Then turn your steering wheel back and forth. And when you do that, it starts pumping out fluid from the bottom. While it's turning, it's pumping out all the old fluid. While it's doing, what I'm doing is filling this up. My dad is turning the steering back and forth. I am running this whole bottle through. Now it's coming out pretty clean, so it's pretty much done. And I'm gonna hook everything up and fill it up to the level, and power steering fluid is completed. Just remember, not power steering fluid, they take transmission fluid in this system. See, it says use only Dextron 2. so you can use Dextron 3 or 4. Okay, now filling it up and fill it up to the level and you're good to go. Everything's done. Then turn back and forth a few times to bleed out the air, and power steering is flushed. I think now it's perfect level.